Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset of your iPhone. So sometimes you need to get rid of your old iPhone, or you need to sell your iPhone, the old model, you want to buy a new model. At a time you just need to reset your phone, or for some other reason you might need to reset your phone. So let's see how we can do this thing. Before resetting your iPhone, make sure you take the phone backup, because if you reset you will lose all the data, everything will be removed. So before doing this thing, make sure you take backup all of your data. Now let's see how we can do this thing. So this is the iPhone main screen. So we have to tap on the settings. Here there is settings. The settings icon may be in different pages. You just need to find the settings and then tap on the settings. Then it will open this type of menus. All menus are there, but I'm not interested to go all of them. We just need to go to general section. This is the general menu to reset the phone. I'm going to tap it, and then here you'll find lots of menus are there again. So you have to come down at the bottom and you'll see shutdown. Just before shutdown there is transfer or reset iPhone. We're planning to reset the phone, right? So we have to tap it over there, transfer and reset, and it will bring two options at the bottom: reset, erase all contents and settings. Our plan was to do a factory reset, right? So we have to tap the last one, erase all content and settings. Once you tap it here, it will give you this option: erase this iPhone. Then there is some information. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. So this phone or iPad can be safely traded in or given away. The following items will be safely removed from the phone. So what things will be removed? Here they mention like apps and data, those will be removed. Apple account, that will be removed. And Find My, that is the activation lock, that will be also removed. So what you need to do? We just need to tap on the continue button to continue the reset process. So I'm going to tap on the continue, and here it is asking again, are you sure you want to erase all media, content and settings? This cannot be undone. Yes, I want to. And before restarting this tutorial, I also already mentioned you, after reset you will lose all the data. So take a backup all of your data if you need those. Then tap on erase iPhone. I'm going to tap on top of erase iPhone, and it will bring like this: Apple account password. Now it is asking that I already have an Apple account logging on this phone. It is asking the password so that it will be removed everything. And here they mention, enter the Apple account password for hello FewSteps at icloud.com to turn off Find My and activation lock. So I'm going to type my password over here. Once the correct password for iCloud account has been entered, then it's time to press the turn off button and to reset our iPhone. So I just finished typing over there, and then I'm going to tap on turn off button. The turn off button is located at the top right corner, and once you tap it, basically you need to wait for a few seconds, because it will take some time to restart or take the to check the password, and then your phone is will come like this way, and very shortly your phone screen will be disappeared. In your phone you will see that it is rebooting, or some Apple icon is there. Now you will not see anything. Just wait for a few minutes. It will take like hardly 3 to 5 minutes. Once the reset is done successfully, then you will see this type of screen. So that means your iPhone is reset completely. And here if you touch your iPhone, then it will show you like to the language, something like that, which is the initial stage when you purchase the phone, and you just turn it on. After turning it on, you will see this screen. So that's it, guys. In this way we can easily reset our iPhone to factory reset, and now we can get rid of the old iPhone, or we can restore from the backup to this phone. Hopefully by watching this video you'll be able to reset your iPhone to factory reset. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any problem, just put in the comment section.